Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today I'm bringing you guys few Cydia tweaks that are really awesome. And with these tweaks you can change anything on your jailbroken device, anything meaning anything throughout the system. So these are really awesome, and I think they're must have on your jailbroken device. These Cydia tweaks are brand new, just came out this morning, and I think they're awesome, and that's why I want to go ahead and make a video and bring it out to you guys so you guys can customize your device the way you guys want. So now before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any video in the future. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So now we're going to go to the Cydia, and I'm going to show you guys it is installed on my device and they're working. They are working perfect. So now we're going to go to the installed, recent, and as you guys can see, all these tweaks, the perfect message. Now the perfect message, this is the interface for this tweak, and now you guys can see you can change between the iMessage and SMS message. You have, I'm going to show you guys in my setting as well. So if we go to my settings, go to tweaks, and the first tweak we're going to talk about is perfect message. As you guys can see, this is the interface for this tweak, and you have a few options to configure from. Once you download, it's going to be off, so you have to enable it, and then you turn on the settings, return to the message on close. So basically when you close the application, then you reopen it, it will go directly to the recent message that you sent to or the recent conversation you have. And also the next option you have is easy switch between iMessage and SMS message. And once you do all these, toggle these on settings, all you have to do is respring your device and you're good to go. And the next one we're going to talk about really quick is the PerfectMusic. Now with this tweak right here, if you guys can see the detail, this message works on your device. Basically, if you as you guys can see in the bottom, it says comparability iOS 13.0 to 13.6. so this is awesome tweak, and it's for your it colorize your music app and the music widget, also based on artwork plus some extra feature for your music app. So I'm going to show you guys on my device. If I drag down from the status bar, as you guys can see, my now playing widget is kind of like blurred out in a background. You can still see the wallpaper, and also if I drag down on my control center, as you guys can see, with 3D touch on that, and as you guys can see, the artwork of this song is green. So now what we're going to do, we're going to change the song and see. Let me turn the volume down. So if we do that, and then the next the song album, the artwork is blue, and you get the blue effect. And then next one is the black, and then white, and then kind of like a greenish type, and then this is the red, and then dark red, the dark blue. So I mean, yeah, it's basically whatever the color of your song theme is, that's what you're gonna see on the widget. So this is awesome and really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys getting that. And then the next one we're gonna talk about really quick is the PerfectPhone. Now with this tweak, it's awesome. So as you guys can see in the picture, you can, once you download, you enable it, and then you can expect time in the recent calls, hide third-party calls, colorize calls, incoming, outgoing, and the missed call. Now I'm going to show you guys on my phone. First, let's go to the setting and let me show you guys PerfectPhone, the tweak. Actually, this is the interface for this, and you have all these setting to configure from. As you can see, you have to enable it. All these tweaks in default gonna be disabled. So once you download it, you have to go to setting, enable it, and then configure the setting, and then go from there. So as you guys can see, I enable it and got the exact time in the recent call, and then you can hide the third-party call, colorize calls, incoming call, outgoing calls, and missed calls. You can have any color, and then also you can have the long call button. Now there is the separate tweak, and it only brings the long call button to your keypad. But with this tweak, it's called PerfectPhone, and you can have all these options. Plus, you have the long call button. So also you can hide tabs, hide favorite, recent, contact, keyboard, and the voicemail. So there's a separate. So basically, this is like different stuff in one tweak. So you can download all those different tweaks, have like 10 different tweaks, or you can have this one tweak and have all those all those different stuff in one. So now you can default open. You can set when you open the phone application, you can it will go straight to, you can set up favorite, recent, contact, or keypad. So mine is set to recent, so I'm going to show you guys. And once I open my click on the phone application, as you guys can see, it went directly into the recent call. And as you guys can see, all the numbers, every call is have different. So the call that I made is the missed call is the pink, and then call I attended is kind of a sky blue. And then yeah, you can customize anything you want, and you can the way you want. And also if I go to a keypad, and as you guys can see, we have the long call button, and this is really awesome, really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys getting that. So now the next one we're going to talk about really quick is the PerfectAppSwitcher. Now with this, as you guys can see there, this is the tweak look like, and it's called PerfectAppSwitcher. And now I'm going to show you guys on my phone. Once we go to the setting, and then PerfectAppSwitcher, this is the interface for this. Once you download, enable it, and then enable the grid switcher. All you have to do, enable that. Don't mess with this setting, because it can mess up your device. I think these are the perfect setting. All you have to do, enable it. And then the next option, you can have it kill apps. Now the media apps will not be killed if you go to app switcher and try to kill all the application. Your media app will gonna be keep playing. It won't be killed. And now you can do the swipe, slow swipe, or medium swipe, or fast swipe. I'm going to show you guys in action. Give me 1 second. So then you can display option, hide app name, or you can hide the app icon. And once you configure all these settings, all you have to do, respring, and it will take the effect. And now I'm going to show you guys in action. Let's say I go to my app switcher. As you guys can see, all these applications are open on my phone, and all I have to do, swipe down on one application, and there you go. It's and now if I go back in, all closed. So this is really awesome, really nice tweak for the app switcher. And swipe down on one, and it will kill all the applications running in your app switcher. So this is awesome. So now the next one we're going to talk about really quick is the PerfectBT battery information. With this tweak, you can have the battery information display on your as you guys can see in the picture. Once you download, you enable it, and then you can have like a pixel 3 icon, or you can have the Pixel 6 icon, custom the background and custom the color, and you can change all these settings in the setting app. So that once you download, you can hide elements, you can bring up more information, you can have it on your lock screen, or you can have it on your home screen. So it's really awesome, really nice tweak. I highly recommend for you guys to download that and check it out. And now the next one we're going to talk about is PerfectCursor. Now with this, as you guys can see, you have it's the PerfectCursor. And now with this tweak, what you can do, I'm going to go to my settings and show you guys. And if we go to the setting, the tweaks, and PerfectCursor, and all you have to do is download, and then you can enable the smooth cursor movement, and also custom the cursor color. Now as you guys can see, mine is kind of pinkish, and once I go to my the notepad, and what I'm gonna do, as you guys can see, the cursor is pink, and I'm gonna write this type random, and as you guys can see, while I'm typing, see how smooth the cursor moving across your device. And now once you're done typing, and if you want to select it, and if we select all, as you guys can see, we got the same color of the selected text. So this is, you can change to any text, any color you want. It's awesome, really nice, and I highly recommend you guys checking that out. And next one we're going to talk about really quick is the Perfect Network Speed information. And now this is the that's what the tweak look like, and it's network speed info. And with this, once you download this, I'm going to show you guys in the setting app, and how to enable it and everything. So this is the tweak right there. This is the interface. Once you download, you have to enable it, and then you can show on the lock screen. You can have it show only on the lock screen, show in a control center, and also always show speed. And there's so many things that you can change with. You can change the colors, you can change the background color, and there's so many settings to mess with, and it's really awesome. And I'm going to show you guys on my device. As you guys can see on the top right corner, right under the cellular signal and the Wi-Fi, you guys can see I got the download speed and upload speed, and it's like really a nice tweak, and have the information right on your home screen or your lock screen, so you can see speed of your internet. So next one we're going to talk about is the let me go to my settings and tweaks, and the next one is the PerfectControlCenter. With this, you have so many options to configure from. You can set the how many rows you want, how many columns you want in your control center. Also, you can custom the size of your control center. Also, you have the power module confirmation. You can get the confirmation before you apply any of these changes. And you have all these rounded CC module. You can enable this, show percentage and the sliders. And I'm going to show you guys on my device really quick. And as you guys can see, there's a percentage in volume slider, and also there's a percentage in the brightness slider. And also you guys can see there's no platters of the elements. It's just like separate icons on your control center. So this is really awesome, really nice tweak, and there's so many options to configure from. You can hide stuff, you can enable stuff, and it's really awesome and really clean and really nice looking tweaks. And all these tweaks are from the same source, and I'm gonna list that source and all the packages in the description below. So at this, you guys can just copy and paste from there. And at this moment, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.